Eco Styler gel. My hair doesn't really love Eco Styler gel, but since I'm not using it and I really need a reasonable quantity of gel, I'll make do with it. So I'll be doing a wash and go, but I want it in a puff. So my hair is washed, shampooed and conditioned, then I put it in this twist and just let it be. So there's no oil or anything in the hair, on my hair right now. There's no product on my hair right now. So all I'm doing right now is just to saturate my hair with water. It's easy to work with your hair if you left it in twists after washing it. My hair is so soft. Yeah, so my hair is all wet right now. As you can see, a lot of water dripping down my face as well. Oh, 2 weeks of protective styling, my hair has rested enough. So I'm just going to start. I don't know how I feel about these guys. Quickly, I don't want this video to be long. I'm going to grab some gel and just apply on my edges. Feels very cool. Okay. Should I do more? So right now I'm just going to go ahead, add more gel. Spray more water. And right now I'm just going to start applying the gel like this. applying gel, water and some olive oil on all the sections. This is how the hair looks right now. I'm just going to flip my hair backwards like this and just brush the edges very well. Make sure it's smooth. Go in with my scarf, tight my edges. Just going to shape the hair. So I'm so sorry, my battery ran down. My battery was dead, so while I was charging it, I just went ahead and finished my entire hair using the same method, and I went ahead and tied my edges so they can lay flat and work again. So while doing my makeup, I'll stop at intervals, spray my heat protectant on my hair as often as I could, because I went in and used this little hand dryer right here. Since it's almost midnight, I can't go to bed while my hair is wet, so it's a little dry, not dry. I went on and used my white tooth comb and just picked the hairs to add volume to it. So yeah guys, here is the final look of the hair. It's not dry. I guess by the time everything is dry, the gel residue is going to disappear. Just turn. This is the side, the back, and the front. If you want to see how my edges are laid, here it is, right here. You can see it's because my hair is longer right now. I guess that's why it's swollen like that. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Let me know your thoughts if this wash and go looks good on me, and if it goes on my falsies natural hair. I felt like this will be easier, putting my entire hair in a puff. It will be easy to work with rather than leaving everything to fall. And I love you guys for watching. Do share my videos, like and comment, subscribe as well if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.